In times of uncertainty, being prepared for civil unrest is essential for your safety and well-being. First, stay informed by following reliable news sources and local updates. Understanding the situation in your area can help you make timely decisions. Next, create an emergency plan that includes communication strategies with family and friends. Identify safe locations where you can gather if you become separated. It's also crucial to assemble an emergency kit with essential supplies. This kit should include water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, and a first aid kit. Consider having a portable phone charger and important documents in a waterproof bag. Additionally, know your surroundings and identify potential escape routes from your home or workplace. Stay aware of local laws and regulations regarding gatherings and protests. In case of unrest, avoid confrontation and seek safe shelter if necessary. Remain calm and composed, as panic can lead to poor decisions. Finally, consider taking a self-defense class to feel more empowered in uncertain situations. Preparation is key to navigating civil unrest safely and effectively. By staying informed and having a plan, you can protect yourself and your loved ones.